muri West Africa barayumva muri barazise
barakuzi cyane
birarenze ko perezida wa Ruda bamuzi na Ruda bayizi none Ruda yabaye ubukombe
Abanyarwanda riharanira ubumwe bw'Abanyarwanda muri demokarasi yihuse ku mpamvu nziza nyinshi 200. Ruda statutory information basing here in Rwanda. Ruda's 200 good many causes in good governing systems. Number 1, Ruda's vital policy to bring, set, stamp in the total human rights on all sections of life and for all people in Rwanda in equality, liberty, fraternity, and total independence. 2. Ruda's nice policy to give back land to all Rwandans because is the gift from our Lord to Rwandans. No any single reason for being of capitalist. It is purely for all Rwandans in equality and in total freedoms. 3. Ruda's no land taxation to any Rwandan or Rwandans unless to the unknown foreign investors of short term, but to those who are working for long run shall be negotiable. 4. Ruda shall help to bring to investors, landowner investor and money owner investor to set up single file long-term investment, hence unity and reconciliation in all Rwandans in Rwanda, rapid development in both poor people and the richer ones. 5. Ruda's good policy of no land exploitation shall be allowed in Rwanda and shall never gain. We shall all laden wherever we are, all shall get wealth and richness plus Rwandan well-being equally in totality. 6. Ruda's lower level investment on high building or tower, the first surrounding business doors shall be of land investor and the rest of the doors at all levels of money-owned investor. Therefore, the poor ones in first 3 classes of the shall all rise economically to classes. Hence, that shall be the best well-being of all citizens of Rwanda in general, leading to the quick economic development. 7. Total Ruda's free of charge of clean water to all people, I mean to all poor citizens of Rwanda. Therefore, this shall be the total freedom of enjoyment to all Rwandans below 600 million of capital. 8. Total Ruda's free of charge to all public toilets and latrines to all Rwandans and visitors for sanitation, boosting and booming general health and wealth for all people, from near and from far away, for the betterment of our Rwanda and the Rwandans in general. 9. Total Ruda's no taxation or taxing any young Rwandan investor below 6 million francs of capital, so that we create man future taxable payers due to taxable capacity. Therefore, this shall build and boost the new generation and the already men and women too. 10. Ruda's total free education to all children of Rwanda from levels of primary schools through secondary schools and little fees to university students. All Rwandans with lower capitals must work at well-established trading premises and at their living and working localities, as they shall develop the capital assets must also join the race of medium capital citizen investors. Ruda says the women and young girls must participate in business doings in tertiary services.
Muri West Africa barahinda barazi barakuzi cyane bararinzi ko perezida wa Ruda bamuzi na Ruda bayizi none Ruda yabaye ubukombe. Muri West Africa barahinda barazi barakuzi cyane bararinzi ko perezida wa Ruda bamuzi na Ruda bayizi none Ruda yabaye ubukombe. Muri West Africa barahinda barazi barakuzi cyane bararinzi ko perezida wa Ruda bamuzi. Muri West Africa barahinda barazi barakuzi cyane bararinzi ko perezida wa Ruda bamuzi na Ruda bayizi none Ruda yabaye ubukombe. Muri West Africa barahinda barazi barakuzi cyane bararinzi ko perezida wa Ruda bamuzi na Ruda bayizi none Ruda yabaye ubukombe.
Mu majyaruguru, iburasirazuba, iburengerazuba n'amajyepfo, utirengagije umujyi wa Kigali. Uyu ni Barafinda Sekikubo Fred, umusaza w'ukuri w'akataraboneka, ufite impamvu nziza nyinshi 200 n'ibihumbi 2 ku rwego rwa Afurika, ariko 200 ku bw'umwihariko n'uwo guteza imbere. Tunyuze muri Ruda rero, nkaba ndi perezida wa Ruda. Iyi ni demokarasi yihuse. All babies in Rwanda. If someone steals one's property, must repay back 5 times of the stolen property. This shall help to increase security on one's assets and rights on property. 16. Spreading democracy to all citizens equally in all advantages to all Rwandans without any segregations. 17. Giving freedoms of speech publicly to any citizens without ignoring anyone without good technique. 18. Constructing public medium trading houses to low trading income earners. Here I mean poor young generations and too aged ones. 19. Little water bill costs on clean piped consumable water for healthy life to all poor people. 20. Ruda must cut the power bill in Rwanda to boost all the poor and lower investments below the capital of 6 million francs. 21. The Ruda's common sharing of the same thinking on the development of social welfare of all the population and the development of the countries of ours, Rwanda. Cause number 22, promoting the national and international dialogue and consensus during the period of peace or war in the Rwanda, the country of 1,000 heroes, at all times. 23. Promotion of new and modern innovations to all creative Rwandans. That must be the law to be respected at all times. 24. Ruda's automatic promotion to someone in Rwanda with new inventions to boost science, economy, and technology to accelerate or speed up industries in all state provinces. Ruda shall give the unutilized land to the active workers for making it useful and beneficial to the society. 26. Ruda says if in one's land is discovered there some minerals and once exploited must share the benefits obtained there within the landowner and never to dismiss him or her. It is the proper human rights to all, and that law must be respected throughout the country. Rainwater must be tapped for the betterment of getting enough water for home use and irrigation in cultivable land, aiming to fight soil erosion in general. 28. The Ruda must give these teachings to the public in order aware the society members and give awareness to the citizens to wake up for great and deep thinking and doings. Homework. What is science? 2. Why do you study science? 3. Give ways to solve personal problems. Here I mean personal poverty. 4. Give remedies to national poverty. 5. What about international poverty? Big and B. Make the case study of all causes of poverty on local level, national level, and international level. That is big query being given to all citizens globally. Thank you very much indeed, and it is my great pleasure to hear any comments from you. This is the Ruda President basing here in Kigali at our capital of Rwanda in the district of Kicukiro, then sector of Nyarugunga and the village of Kamashash. Is it cell of Kamashash and the village of Akindeje? This is my address, the Ruda President, found and legal representative internally and externally. Call me anytime in 24/7 at plus 250 78 20 34 28 622 Thank you very much indeed, all Rwandans, all East Africans, all Africans, and the entire world, and well wishers of all Rwandans globally. Thank you very much indeed, and it is my great pleasure to welcome you all over the world, and welcome to Rwanda to visit all Rwandans being led by the Ruda. We are 9.8 plus million supporters of Ruda, the peaceful political party. Thank you very much indeed once again.